In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your subscription on Zoho CRM as an admin using Google Chrome. This is a useful skill to have if you're planning on discontinuing your service or switching to another platform. We'll guide you through each step of the process to ensure it's as smooth and straightforward as possible. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the Google Chrome browser on your computer. Chrome is recommended for its compatibility and performance with Zoho CRM. Go to the Zoho CRM login page and make sure you're logging in as an admin since these privileges are necessary to access and manage subscription settings. Once you're logged into your account, we'll need to navigate to a specific area of the dashboard. You'll find Setup in your main navigation menu. Click on it to access a comprehensive list of options related to your Zoho CRM account settings. Now, look for the Subscription section within this Setup menu. It's here where you'll be able to view and manage your current subscription details. Navigating through this section helps you get a clearer understanding of what you're subscribed to, which is particularly helpful for those who manage multiple software subscriptions. Once you're there, if you decide that you do want to go ahead and cancel your subscription, select the option to either cancel your subscription or your account entirely, depending on which part of the service you're looking to discontinue. Zoho might have various plans or extensions, so make sure to select the correct one. After you've made the selection, you'll need to follow the on-screen prompts that will guide you through the cancellation process. These might include confirming your choice several times, providing reasons for cancellation, or agreeing to terms and conditions. Make sure to read these prompts carefully. Following them ensures that your subscription is completely canceled and helps avoid any confusion or potential billing for the service you no longer wish to use. But wait, before finalizing your cancellation, one critical step you shouldn't overlook is backing up any important data. When you cancel your subscription, you might lose access to data stored within Zoho CRM, so it's wise to have copies of essential files, customer information, or reports that you might need later. You can usually export information directly from the CRM to your device for safekeeping. Double-check all backups to ensure you don't lose valuable information. Once you've confirmed that everything necessary is backed up, you can proceed with the final cancellation. And there you have it. By following these steps, your Zoho CRM subscription has been successfully canceled. Remember, it's always a good habit to keep all correspondence related to this process for future reference.